The holiday season is here, so today let's make some decorative wooden stars. I'll start by cutting a 1x2 into even lengths. You'll need 10 segments per star, but since I'm going to make a bunch of these, I've gone ahead and set up a stop block on my miter saw to get quick and repeatable 7-inch cuts. Once we have our segments cut down to rough length, it's time to get precise. To do this, I've built myself a table saw jig. On the bottom, it has a runner, and on the top, I have two fences that hold the wood at 18 and 54 degrees. With the jig set up, it's as simple as clamping the wood in and running it through the table saw. Because these cuts need to be repeated 10 times, even a small 1 degree difference will be magnified to 10 degrees by the time you're done, so take your time and measure twice. Once all the segments are cut on one side, we simply turn the jig around and cut the opposite side with the alternative angle. Once all the segments are cut, I simply use a brad nailer to tack them together. And there you have it, a freshly made star that looks great on top of a tree or as a decoration on a shelf.